Welcome to a cruise excursion out here on the Dominican Republic. It's Chukka, Chukka, Ocean Outpost, Coconut Cove, and this is the zip line, lunch, and beach excursion. Really excited. We are off board the ship here at Amber Cove, hop on your bus, and get straight to the fun.
Okay guys, so welcome to the Dominican Republic. The city's name is Puerto Plata. Okay, Puerto Plata. So guys, I'm gonna repeat my name again and I'm gonna tell you the driver's name. So my name is Angie and the driver's name is Faustino. Faustino, yes. So what's the driver's name? Faustino. And my name? Angie. And your name? Nice to meet you. So guys, I'm telling you this because you have to be back with the same driver, same guy, and same transportation, okay? This is the truck number 10, okay? And don't worry, because I'm gonna be with you the whole day. So in case that you have any question, any information that you would like to know, I'm here for you, okay? Okay? Okay! Mejor.
As soon as you arrive to Coconut Cove, they suit you up. It's time for a zip line. So let's pay attention. Now, I thought it would just be one run on a zip line. No, it's 3 or 4. You pretty much go around the entire area and you land at the beach where you're gonna hang out. So it's really cool. Let's check it out.
Go, just do it like Nikes. Ready, mama?
I'm ready.
Body time. That's the way.
Time.
Finish it up. Sit down your harness. Like how back the body. Move back. Move back a little more. Good. Stay like that all the time, okay? Body time.
Baby, you're the best by far. Always go the extra mile. You right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. It's my baby. That thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji. You right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia ila. Vanemia ila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia ila. Vanemia ila.
Now that was fun. We let our daughter pick that excursion, and she did a great job. We absolutely had a great time. Well, it's now time for lunch, so let's see what they have. Hey, you watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. It really, truly helps our channel. Thank you so much. The alcoholic beverages were not free, but the beach chairs and umbrellas were, so enjoy. We've come to the end of the video, but it's not the end. Book a trip, get your butt to Amber Cove, and go ziplining.